So Bitcoin itself is taking a nice little dump ski. You can consider this a correlation to SPY or S&P 500, which has also been seeing a sell-off over the weekend and into this morning. And it looks like we're getting back into these liquidity ranges that we've been sweeping basically the last month. My name's EQ. I've helped over 1,500 people learn how to trade crypto since 2021. And welcome to the EPIQ Trading Floor. Now, since the inauguration, Bitcoin has been testing range lows. We've also basically been sweeping price sideways for about a full month now. And as you can imagine, in that time, there's been a lot of transfer from dumb money to smart money. Even if you go look at liquidations right now, there's already been about 378 million that's been liquidated in the last 24 hours. And just to put this all into perspective, probably within the last month, we've seen around 10 to $20 billion liquidated in the market. And that's just liquidations alone, not taking into consideration people that are panic selling, getting out of their spot positions and things like that. Now, what's also important at this exact same time is going to Bitcoin dominance and taking a look at this, because right now we are testing these range highs at about 61.5, but we have not pushed to the LRC resistance or really gone to the true double top yet at about 62%. Now, Bitcoin dominance itself is starting to outflow in volume, and we're in a bearish crossover, so I would love to see this long term start to pull down so we can get into the true altcoin season. But first thing is first, we want to see price action hold, potentially in this 94 to 92K range, and then start to push to the top side. And with volume, we have a lot of help. If you go to the EPIQ Trading Floor macro dashboard and you go to 24-hour change in volume, you can see even though the day is red, we have exponential growth in volume. You can see Solana's up 177%, Bitcoin is up 75%, and this is 24-hour volume flow too. So this is what I'm talking about when I say smart money versus dumb money. This is the smart money accumulating long term. Meanwhile, the dumb money would be all the people that are leverage trading, over risk, over leverage, and starting to liquidate left and right and giving all of this money to the smart traders. Which, by the way, if you want to use this macro dashboard, this is free for anyone to use at epictradingfloor.com. And then if you want to come trade with me or get access to the academy, the buy and sell signals, the alerts, the community, all of that, there are limited seats available in the EPIQ mentorship program. So I'll tag the link above and I'll tag the link in the description so you can take a look at those whenever you want. But at the end of the day, I'm still extremely bullish on the market. I love to see all the fear in the market. I like to be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. So I've been doing a lot of dollar cost averaging and adding to my positions, especially as Bitcoin is starting to pull down a little bit more. I'm going to look into my long term, see if there's any opportunities or some things that I've been waiting for a nice pullback, like Solana, for example, which has taken a nice little hit over the last month, and potentially add to my long term bags. And this is going to wrap up this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Drop them in the comment section. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Tag your friends so they can stay up to date in the crypto market. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you tune in the world, and I'll see you in the next one.